So let us take another model of the same concept on tangents. If the line x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 touches the curve x square is equal to ky, then find value of k. So here one equation of tangent is given, curve is given, but it is not complete. So I have to find the value of k for which this line will become tangent. So we can apply the same concept, d is equal to 0. So for this solution, y is equal to x plus 2, I will put in this. So x square is equal to k into x plus 2. So x square minus kx minus 2k is equal to 0. Now as per the condition, if this line is touching this curve, any curve, then this must have equal roots. x1 must be equal to x2. It must have equal roots. It must not intersect. So d is equal to 0. This is always condition for tangent. D is equal to 0. So the moment I put d is equal to 0, b square k square minus plus 8k is equal to 0. That means k into k plus 8 is equal to 0. As k is not equal to 0, so k is equal to minus 8. So for k is equal to minus 8, that means x square minus 8y, this line will be tangent to the curve. This parabola x square is equal to minus 8y.